Hello, in this video we're gonna check how all gestures and motions work on Redmi 12R. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store, settings, and then find the additional settings. Inside we have gestures and shortcuts. First one is to launch Google Assistant, and you can do this by holding a power key for half a second. Just like that. Next thing is take a screenshot. There's two options: slide 3 fingers down like that to take a screenshot, or use volume down plus power key to also make the same screenshot. Next thing is to launch camera. Here you can double press the power button or double press volume down button while the screen is locked to open a camera. So double press power key and here it is, and when it's locked also works fine. Next thing is a torch, so you can double press the power button and you will need to replace the camera for that. To enable a flashlight, let's try it out. It works fine. And the last feature is a double tap fingerprint sensor to open one of the functions. If you click here, you'll be able to see them all. And I want to go for a calculator. If we double tap, not press, a fingerprint sensor right there, it opens a specific function. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.